How to fix OTG is not working in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. And then scroll down, and if you turn on your auto blocker, then turn it off. After that, go back and scroll down and click on apps, and then click on sort icon, and if you turn off show system apps, then turn it on and then click on OK. Now search here USB settings. Now click on it. Now here you can force stop your USB settings. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. Now click on storage, and here you can clear the cache and data of Bluetooth. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on developer options. Now search here default USB configuration. Now click on default USB configuration and then select transferring file. After selecting transferring files, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.